14 Styles of Leadership, based in Psychology of Thought and Action. There are 14 distinct styles of leadership, each rooted in unique thinking and action approaches, informed by personality frameworks like MBTI, and characterized by varied functions, forms, scopes, and orientations. Every individual embodies one or a blend of these styles, as leadership is not solely about directing an organization or group, but about feeling empowered by a deep understanding of who we are at our core. Engaging from this place of authentic motivation allows one to lead from within, confidently and unapologetically, without dependence on external validation. This self-knowledge serves as a foundation for expressing one's innate abilities and talents in everyday interactions, enriching both personal and shared experiences. 1. A focused, detail-oriented leader who values tradition and stability. 2. The visionary, an innovative and collaborative leader guided by a clear, outward-facing vision. 3. The strategist, methodical and strategic, emphasizing long-term planning and internal consistency. 4. The architect, designs and builds comprehensive strategies with adaptability and inclusivity. 5. The executor, action-oriented and reliable, focused on maintaining order and achieving results. 6. The innovator, decisive, with an emphasis on external impact and progressive change. 7. The administrator, manages processes with precision, ensuring stability and adherence to norms. 8. The reformer, strategically implements change with an external focus and innovative practices. 9. The arbitrator, carefully balances multiple considerations, prioritizing stability and internal responsibility. 10. The diplomat, skillfully navigates complex situations, balancing external relationships with progressive ideas. 11. The maverick, independent and flexible, managing unpredictability while upholding core values. 12. The catalyst, drives change and innovation, adept at quickly adapting to external shifts. 13. The creator, balances multiple creative projects, focusing on internal innovation and diversity. 14. The pragmatist, adaptable and practical, taking an action-oriented approach while ensuring stability. These leadership styles reflect distinct psychological approaches to thought and action, offering insight into the diverse ways leaders influence, interact, and guide others. Success of organization, hybrid structure. In hybrid organizations, which combine multiple functional or structural elements, e.g., a for-profit business with a nonprofit branch or a public-private partnership, success depends on individuals who are versatile, collaborative, and adaptable to diverse operational demands. Hybrid structures are common in sectors like healthcare, education, and environmental services, where various missions and goals intersect. Here's a breakdown of the essential roles, ideal personality types from the 14 leadership excellence styles, and their unique contributions. 1. Strategic integration leaders, top-level management, CEO, Chief Strategy Officer. Best fit personalities. The visionary, ENTP, Enneagram 7, and the strategist, INTJ, Enneagram 5. Qualities. Visionaries bring a broad perspective, connecting different functional areas under a unified mission. Strategists ensure that the organization's varied objectives align with both its social and financial goals. Role contribution. They set the overall strategy, ensuring that the organization's dual or multifaceted goals are integrated seamlessly, balancing profitability with social impact. 2. Operations and resource managers. Upper management, operations manager, resource allocation director, best fit personalities. The administrator, ISTJ, Enneagram 1, and the guardian, ISFJ, Enneagram 6. Qualities. Administrators bring order and consistency, critical for managing resources across different functions. Guardians ensure that resources are used responsibly, aligning operational efficiency with mission-driven goals. Role contribution. They oversee day-to-day operations, ensuring that processes are optimized across for-profit and mission-oriented areas, supporting seamless integration and resource use. 3. Community and stakeholder engagement managers. Middle management, community engagement director, partnerships manager. Best fit personalities. The diplomat, ENFJ, Enneagram 2, and the catalyst, ENFP, Enneagram 7. Qualities. Diplomats are empathetic and skilled in fostering meaningful relationships with diverse stakeholders. Catalysts bring enthusiasm, encouraging engagement from both community and corporate partners. Role contribution. They build and manage partnerships, engage with stakeholders, and ensure that the organization's hybrid structure is responsive to community needs and partner expectations. There are 4. Program and product development leads, middle management, program manager, product development lead. Best fit personalities, the creator, INFP, Enneagram 4, and the innovator, ENFP, Enneagram 7. Qualities. Creators bring originality to designing programs or products that meet diverse needs, while innovators ensure that offerings are adaptive, balancing commercial success with social impact. Role contribution. They design and develop products or services that align with the organization's hybrid mission, ensuring that innovations support both profitability and social responsibility. 5. Compliance and financial managers. Compliance officer, financial director. Best fit personalities, the guardian, TJ, Enneagram 6, and the strategist, Enneagram 5. Qualities. Guardians focus on ensuring that all regulatory and ethical standards are met. Strategists provide financial insight and long-term planning to support the organization's varied objectives. Role contribution. They manage finances and compliance, balancing resource allocation to meet both profit and nonprofit goals, fostering trust and accountability within the organization. 6. Volunteer and team coordinators. Volunteer coordinator, team support specialist. Best fit personalities, the diplomat, ENFJ, Enneagram 2, and the catalyst, ENFP, Enneagram 7. Diplomats create an inclusive environment for staff and volunteers, while catalysts inspire participation and foster a sense of community across the organization's for-profit and nonprofit branches. Role contribution. They coordinate and support both staff and volunteers, ensuring that all team members feel connected to the organization's mission and that collaborative efforts are encouraged. In hybrid organizations, the alignment of roles with these diverse personality strengths ensures smooth integration of various goals, fosters adaptability, and encourages meaningful stakeholder engagement. This structure allows hybrid organizations to deliver both financial value and social impact effectively. MBTI and Enneagram aspects in hybrid organizations. In hybrid organizations, success relies on individuals with diverse strengths at each level, aligning their unique skills to meet complex organizational needs. Utilizing insights from the MBTI and Enneagram frameworks, here's a breakdown of the essential roles, the types of people best suited for them, and their unique contributions. 1. Strategic visionaries. Top-level management, CEO, Chief Strategy Officer. Best fit personalities, the visionary, ENTP, Enneagram 7, and the strategist, INTJ, Enneagram 5. Qualities. Visionaries inspire cross-functional teams with forward-thinking initiatives, while strategists ensure alignment with long-term goals through analytical foresight. Role contribution. They set the organization's mission, integrating diverse objectives, and ensure strategic direction that unites different operational goals. 2. Operations and program managers. Upper management. Operations director, program manager. Best fit personalities. The admin-TJ, Enneagram 1, and the guardian, ISFJ, Enneagram 6. Qualities. Administrators bring order and reliability across functions, while guardians ensure resources are allocated responsibly, balancing operational needs. Role contribution. They oversee daily operations, supporting efficiency and collaboration between different functional areas, ensuring smooth workflow integration. Community engagement and partnership managers, middle management, community outreach manager, best fit personalities, the diplomat, ENFJ, Enneagram 2, and the catalyst, ENFP, Enneagram 7. Qualities. Diplomats excel in building community relationships, while catalysts inspire collaboration and engage partners in meaningful ways. Role contribution. They foster partnerships, engage with stakeholders, and enhance the organization's adaptability to community needs, strengthening external relationships. 4. Product and program development leads. Middle management, product lead, program development manager. Best fit personalities. The creator, INFP, Enneagram 4, and the innovator, ENFP, Enneagram 7, qualities. Creators bring originality to product and program design, while innovators ensure adaptability, balancing creative solutions with practical impact. Role contribution. They develop products and services aligned with the hybrid mission, fostering innovation that satisfies both financial and social goals. 5. Compliance and financial managers, compliance officer, financial director. Best fit personalities, the Guardian, ISTJ Enneagram 6, and the Strategist, INTJ Enneagram 5. Qualities, Guardians focus on ethical standards and compliance, while strategists ensure sustainable financial planning to support dual objectives. Role contribution, they manage finances, ensure compliance, and create trust within the organization, supporting goals that align both profit and social responsibilities. 6. Volunteer and team coordinators. Volunteer coordinator, team relations officer, best fit personalities, the diplomat, ENFJ Enneagram 2, and the catalyst, ENFP Enneagram 7. Qualities, diplomats create an inclusive and supportive environment for all, while catalysts inspire active engagement and participation across teams. Role contribution, they recruit and support team members and volunteers, ensuring seamless collaboration and a sense of community commitment to the organization's diverse objectives. In hybrid organizations, the alignment of diverse personality strengths ensures that the mission remains adaptable and well integrated, fostering a culture of innovation, resourcefulness, and social impact.